Hi, good morning. I'm here again, and today we are going to the Blue Mountains, which is found in Katoomba here in Sydney. See you there. We just arrived here in Katoomba, and first we're going to go to the observation deck to show you what is all about this Blue Mountains.
Ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly, I can fly.
Rides are every 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So what I recommend doing first is the Skyway. It takes you cliff top to cliff top across and brings you back like that.
Yeah.
And then I recommend going down the train second. You can do a couple of walks to the Cableway. So this one is 10 minutes, 30 minutes, and over here is 50. And that one can bring you back up third, like that. So you have plenty of time. And
How much is it?
the ticket?
Yeah.
$43.
43 for each person.
Yeah.
For person.
Need to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight.
There is a long line here at the Scenic Railway, and my brother-in-law is giving us more information about these Blue Mountains.
Ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly, I can fly. front of me. My enemies have tried every possibility.